Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you here how you start to add interaction on Figma, and what we're gonna do is about to go select a frame or components that you would like to start to make interactive things that is really about things. So that's what we're gonna start to understand through the situation. First of all, what you're gonna do actually is about to go through something that we gonna start to understand on the progress, because this is really about to go for selecting frame or component that you would like to interact. So I will click here, and then starting with, for example, a desktop. So about to pull this, and this will about be appearing. So about to switch to something that is called prototype, and this will be about to give you that one. And then as you can see, this will about be prohibited for what you about
لو لقيت ريل برضه
to go for this one, and then starting to drag the nodes another frame variant to about navigate to it, and that is all about.